I'm all decked out because I don't want to get fucking cold. But snow continues to fall, while at times being gusty. Again, the more I said, not official. Knocked off the snow. Felt a lot windier. Seems like it was, yeah, it was a lot windier, I thought. That's why I came out all decked out. Well, sort of. I mean, either way, couldn't fucking stand this. I mean, since I'm out here, I'll probably just fucking clear off my car ice. So I keep just turning on the car, letting it melt, and then fucking just leaving it, which isn't good. Just keeps reforming ice anyways, next time I use it. It's kind of like a light gust here and there. Clear off my car and I'll come back with you guys for a minute or two before I call it off for the night, probably. Keyword, probably. Alright, clear off all the stupid ice. It was fun trying to open the fucking doors, they were frozen shut. It's like I said, I just let it fucking melt and then close them. Just let it melt. So I pay for it. Cleared off the fucking windows and shit now. Because they'll just keep adding on and on and on. I have ice on my fucking windows in the morning. It's just an unnecessary amount of work I need to fucking do. Get the fucking work. Hopefully the roads are better in the fucking morning. I work at 8, so should be by that point. Another attempt at an all-nighter just to see what things do and all that. Temperatures. And just overall, just because I just fucking feel like it. Yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight, maybe? Not tomorrow morning. Winter is here and it's gonna be here to stay. This is my fucking tablet's being a stubborn. This app's being a stubborn bitch on my tablet. Here's how it looks. Here's how the forecast looks on my phone. Yeah, evening update. 60% chance of flurries. Appears to snow anyway this evening. The main clouds. 6% chance of flurries near West Kelowna Peachlands. Local 2 centimeters. Northwest 20 gusts to 40. And then tomorrow, winds northwest 30 gusts to 50. Continuing until near midnight tomorrow. Pretty cold. -2 high, and then -11 low. Wind chill as low as -16. Tuesday night, and then Wednesday -5, and Wednesday night -12. Yeah, and it starts warming up after that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It won't stop snowing. this garbage later tonight, but I don't think that would be possible. Shit. It was lightening up. And it picked back up again. Feeling like it was almost a mix of accident and on purpose. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't think, realistically, I don't think there's ever been a lull in the precip since, like, fucking yesterday, not even yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Saturday afternoon, I believe? No. Yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, sorry. No. Sunday afternoon. I don't think it's been long since that point. Didn't miss it this time. I'm just having fun at this point now. Whoever it is. I really wish the radar was available for this, because this would really like to know what the fuck's going on. I mean, I can only assume it's like the kind of like the sock-in, kind of like the central Okanagan effect. Just during certain situations, it just kind of like socked into the central Okanagan, nowhere else, and nowhere else. Again, winter, probably my least knowledgeable area of the weather. The only thing I find is it doesn't look like there's such much new snow on the ground. Maybe an extra centimeter, between a centimeter or two. It's just been going on for so long, and it's just recently picked up. It's like, seriously. It was looking like it was clearing, and then the winds kicked up, and then it started back up again. Like, it has something to do with the Arctic air in play. I don't know. It's just strange. Don't quite know. Jesus. It's like we've gone from fucking September to January in an instant. It's like, this is something out of January. Or at least fucking not early December, like mid-late December. This is far gone from a typical early November snowfall. Winter event. Oh my god. We got 2.5 minutes, we'll start walking in, take a break, and then we'll come back out if needed. And then of course we'll check snowfall totals in the morning. Unexpected interruption there. We'll continue on now. It's probably isolated, scattered. I have to check. Conditions elsewhere to know, but fuck me. Jesus. Oh, do another 2 minutes and I'll start walking in. Even the same clip. Oh my god. Is it a fucking end? Like, holy shit. But yeah, the plan is get this done. Go to bed. And then it's around for an hour, couple hours. And then hopefully by that point it'll be fucking done. So I can, well, not done, but have my breakfast and then be able to get photos and videos harmlessly. A few huge ass like things coming down my phone. For God's sake. It's 1:30. What the fuck you doing out here? 1:30 in this. Oof. Cold breeze. My legs. Those footprints. You see, not overly covered yet. Just hope this ends by the time I leave for work. If at all costs. Like, Jesus. So 7:30. Alright, let's start walking in. Got the gist of it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. I'm covered in snow. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. Jesus, fuck. This is ridiculous. It was. I laugh when I say this. Periods of snow. It was supposed to end early this afternoon, and then went to this afternoon, and then went to early this evening, and then went to this evening. Yet it's still fucking going. Now, I don't forecast locally, so I can't really say my forecast is verified by any means. But I mean, isolated scattered snow was expected to continue until this AM. Now, if that would have meant periods of snow here till that point, I don't know, because I don't go locally with precipitation forecasts. But nonetheless, I do have some verification on my hands here. It's going well beyond what was forecasted. Jesus. Wow. I'll see you guys a little bit later on, see what the intensity is then. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I shit you not, it was like a few flicks, 60 fucking seconds ago. And now it's back to like 3/4 of the way it was, halfway to where it was before. It's trying to lighten up. If it focuses, you can sort of see it breaking up a bit. So the idea is, if this is the intensity, it's going to be in about 20 or some minutes. I'll head back out. It's fucking ridiculous. But the tracks are sort of, they were still fully there. It's maybe been like third covered. So it's not that heavy. Alright, no forecast update to end off the video. So yeah, cold for the next couple of days and then slowly warms from there. Precip though should remain fairly minimal to 0 for at least next week though. So, yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace. Holy shit. We have like half a fucking foot of snow on the ground and what? Oh man. I wish it would be staying cloudy today, but it won't. It'll get sunny. Although at this point in the year, the sun's low, so I'm not worried about like any of that melting shit too much. That's great. Let's say like mid-January. put my camera in, and we'll get measurement. We'll get a measurement out. Oh, cause you fucking tired. Oh, about 9.5 centimeters of snow. Just about 10 here. We got one more spot on here to check, and then we can make an affirmation if it's between or 9.5. We can't get 10 now. Yeah. Yeah, about 9.75. Okay, so yeah, about 9.75, just under 10 centimeters of snow. Not too fucking shabby. If they kept the snowfall warning up, it would have verified. Nope. Discontinued it, so the snow that made it a verified snowfall warning happened after it ended. I'll be recording as soon as I turn it off. Alright. Okay. Get out of here. at 210 centimeters. Like this because you get a little more traction. Don't even. God, I'm just spinning. Holy shit. It is fucking freezing. It was melting a bit, but nowhere near enough. Oh, shit. It was cloudy most of the day. It stayed below freezing most of the day. So, oh, jeez. 4:30 and the lights are on. Yeah. Let's get out. Alright. Back home. Oh god. It's gonna get cloudy, so it's not as cold as it was initially expected to. My lord. Look at this. There is still leaves on the fucking trees. And we're getting our first minus double digits. We got like a foot of snow on the ground. Speaking of that, I just want to make sure snowfall amounts haven't changed. Let's see. Yeah, they melted, if anything, compressed. Of course, all this happens when I start working 5 days straight. So I can't be around when all this happens. Can't be around for the daytime looks of this. I'll see you guys later on. Maybe do another morning thing tomorrow. I'm going to delay the end of the video to tomorrow because just forecasting amounts and just a genuine fact that I need till tomorrow to realistically end the video properly. -6. Cloudy. You can see there's tiny flakes falling. We're sitting in a valley cloud. Alright, end of the day here. Snow melted a bit, but that's because of the sun, not because of the temperature. Not like the sun was out. Sorry, solar radiation. I don't know. May have gotten a trace of snow. I don't remember if this was the way it was when I left for work, so I was in a rush. So, nonetheless, yeah, Valley Car's trying to break up, but so far no bueno. It's looking like it's trying to fill back in again. Probably what will happen is just it'll just come back together again later tonight, if it does fully break up. Oh, they shuffled this. That's good. Oh. I haven't been able to do a proper, around the house without rushing for work, so. It's supposed to be on the colder side, a little bit longer than expected. Maybe get an additional trace of snow, maybe a trace of 3 centimeters. Come later, the end of the week, but we'll see. Oh, I should probably. I hate that feeling I'm not getting it all. Yeah, you can see the valley clouds really breaking up. It's been pretty much solid all fucking day until recently getting out of work. So. Recently getting out of work, it was starting to break apart, and now getting home, it's like full on breaking apart. But nonetheless, it'll probably come back together again later on. Anyways, let's head in. Cleared off my measuring areas, garbage bin, but that one I'm just taking off because in case this gets knocked off, which is very unlikely. When like this and this gets messed around with, at least I have that as backup. And now no, it's off by half a centimeter, by about a centimeter. But again, no, about. Anyways, on that note, I'll see you guys later on. Next video. Said that last night, but ran into some issues. So this is now the end of the video, and peace.